QVC has created an exciting new gardening destination around you, your needs and interests.
Come and discover our ever-changing selection of garden products.
Learn from the experts and get hints and tips.
We want to inspire and help you enjoy your garden space, whatever its size.
Welcome to My Garden Escape, a new one-stop shopping destination for all your gardening needs and interests by QVC. Introducing a new way to interact with your experts and fellow gardeners. Watch live streams from the experts, like, comment, share and explore posts. Enjoy an extra 2 hours of gardening shows every Monday to Friday from 5 to 7 p.m. We'll be bringing you all the best tips, tricks and gardening tools to help you enjoy your green sanctuary, whatever its size. Whether you're a green-fingered garden guru, a keen horticultural novice, or someone who loves to simply relax and escape from your daily routine. Experience a new way of shopping with more content for you to explore on the website and app, interactive shows and live streaming. Also look out for QVC's new catch-up streaming service, QVC Plus. Get up close and personal with our experts like never before, new specialists and old friends too. Welcome to My Garden Escape.